Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back again my YouTube channel. How are you guys? Hope you will be fine. You will see the stylish and most beautiful nails art ideas, analytic nails and different nail designs ideas for my channel. How was the video? How the designs and latest and most beautiful new fancy nail designs and stylish long nails, short nail designs ideas for my channel. So please guys subscribe my channel. So you will see the stylish and modern attractive new different nail designs and analytic nails different ideas for my channels. Very adorable and latest stylish different fancy nails, long nails and short nail designs. Modern and attractive new different fancy nail designs ideas for my channel. You will never miss any video, any collections, and you will see the stylish different and how most beautiful fancy nail designs and different nail art ideas, analytic nail designs and different summer nail designs ideas, short nails and long nail designs, most beautiful and different and latest stylish new along with short nail designs ideas for my channel. So please guys subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Latest and different qualities and different fancy nail designs, short nail designs ideas and analytic nails are different latest stylish new nails art ideas. Very beautiful and different and most beautiful new nails art ideas, analytic nail designs, more colors and different colors, different ideas for my channel. Till the next video guys, and enjoy my all videos. Please guys subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, and press the bell icon, you will get notifications of all my videos and you will see the stylish different latest and most beautiful and unique new fancy nails and stylish new latest and outstanding new nail designs ideas for my channel. So how are the beautiful and stylish different nail designs ideas, more than hundreds of new designs and hundreds of new ideas do on my channel. For this attractive new nails and stylish nail designs, modern and attractive fancy nails art ideas, analytic nails and different nail designs, more than hundreds of new designs and hundreds of new ideas, fabulous and attractive fancy nails designs and different colors, different new nail designs, latest and different new long with short nail designs ideas, modern and attractive fancy nail designs. See you soon guys.